Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Eli at Kingsbridge Autos in Leeds. Very proud to offer you today this 2015 facelift Porsche Cayenne with only 32,000 miles in the best colour black, of course. This particular example has got a very high spec. It's got the 21-inch alloy wheels, in beautiful bright silver finish, and you've also got the red brake calipers with the Porsche logo. Excellent tyres on the car, all with around 6mm tread. You've got the privacy glass as well. Just put it down to the wheel. All the wheels are unmarked, full colour centre caps. Got the Bi-Xenon Porsche lighting system, so not the standard halogens, which obviously is a lot better. You've got the daytime LED running lights as well. The car's just been detailed, so the whole body's been machine polished. It looks absolutely stunning. Facelift one's obviously got the facelift rear that looks a lot better than the old one. This has also got the tinted rear lights, factory genuine tinted rear lights from Porsche. The Porsche black badging, again that's factory genuine. And it's also got the black design tailpipes rather than the chrome, which all helps make that rear end look really pleasing and really nice. Quite mean actually, in my opinion. You can see the bodywork is super shiny at the moment, just because, like I say, it's been fully machine polished by our detailer. Does an amazing job. Taking years off the car. I'll show you around. You've also got keyless entry and exit and start, which was an option. So you can see there the Porsche keyless system. Now one of the main and most desirable features on any Porsche is the 18-way adaptive sport memory seats, which gives you infinite adjustment and a much more comfortable seat than the standard ones. These make a world of difference. Believe me, I've sold and driven a lot of Porsches, and the standard seats just don't compare whatsoever. They're worth their weight in gold. See the memory buttons there, which you can program by pressing the key and the set button to whatever configuration you want. It's also got the comfort lighting, so you've got the LED light strips in the doors and in the footwells, etc. You've got power folding mirrors, power boot, again another option. So yeah, really nice spec. And of course the essential electric panoramic sunroof, which is a must-have. I'll just pull the bonnet as well while I'm here, so you can see that's just been detailed as well. You've got that fantastic 3-litre V6 diesel, which has got plenty of torque, and it's just a great engine, very reliable, top of the bag range of cars. Yeah, that's just been fully detailed as well. Looks absolutely stunning. There. Now in the back, again another Porsche option, the Porsche rear entertainment system. This was a £2,500–3,000 option. Great for the kids when you put your kids seat, you keep them occupied if you're going all the way to Cornwall on your holidays, or across or abroad if you go in the tunnel. But you can play all sorts. You've got all sorts of inputs to use on there, so they're really good system, including memory cards and I think it's DVD as well. I haven't actually checked it in detail, but it comes with a manual, so you can go through it all, or I can have a look for you if you're interested in that particular feature. Lovely condition throughout, as you can see. Sorry, it's quite a bright day today, so it's not the easiest to see with the sun. Power boot here. There's the power button, and this has got the dual one where you can actually press the second button on the right and it will close the boot and lock the car as well. Very handy if you are busy. This has got the spare wheel option, not all of them have it. Very useful if you need it. Okay. The load cover is in place where as it should be. Got the Porsche matting, the stainless steel entry plates. That's fantastic. Adaptive seats. They're unmarked, of course, as you'd expect. Let's go around to the driver's side and show you some of the other options. Beautiful leather-bound steering wheel, multifunction option, the multifunction variant. You've got cruise control, not standard, believe it or not, some cars don't have it. You've got satellite navigation and Bluetooth phone. Again, some cars don't have that, so you've got to check. Let's just see if we can close the blind so that we can see clearer. The sport button for sportier driving, and obviously off-road, on-road selection. You've got heated seats, the dual zone climate control, 12-volt socket in the cup holders, and another USB and auxiliary port there, and 12-volt socket there. And in this particular car, like I say, this media system has got all the options. So you've got phone, find telephone, media system. So you've got an inbuilt hard drive that you can play music from, as well as you can play from your phone. This has got DAB as well, digital radio, which you want. Where's the option source there? So you've got jukebox, DAB, FM, disc, so it's got a CD player as well. So yeah, navigation there, as you can see, the touchscreen all works. Obviously we're in the middle of nowhere here, so it's not going to show anything. Got the flappy paddles on the levers. The current mileage 32,216, and obviously you can check everything on here, including your navigation, as you can on most Porsches that are the later variants. Power handbrake there, and that is pretty much it. You've also got the gloss black finish, that was also an option. So yeah, it's really packed to the rafters with technology and factory options. So you've got the adjustment and the slide for the roof there. Power telescopic steering wheel as well. And that is pretty much it. So it's priced very, very keenly. We can offer finance and part exchange, of course, so just get in touch if you'd like a quote. The car is literally ready to go, and wants for nothing, full service history, and had recent tyres, recent brake pads and everything, so literally nothing to spend. So look forward to taking inquiries on this car.